The field hockey hit is a two-handed swing motion generally used for long-range passing and shooting a goal. During the performance of the hit, both hands are typically placed at the proximal end of the stick grip, allowing for production of high ball velocity. The field hockey hit is typically broken down into 6 different phases. The photo describes them all. In Figure A, initiation of the hit and start of the backswing begins. In B, the stick is at the top of the hit, the backswing ends, and the start of the early forward swing begins. In Figure C, the stick is horizontal in the downswing, the early forward swing ends, and the start of the acceleration phase begins. In Figure D, the ball and stick make contact, causing ball impact. The end of the acceleration occurs, and the start of the early follow-through begins. In E, the stick is horizontal, the early follow-through ends, and the late follow-through begins. Lastly, in Figure F, the end of the swing occurs.
The muscles involved in the field hockey hit can be broken down into different sections. The first category of muscles are a part of the backswing. This includes the trapezius, deltoid, levitator scapulae, supraspinatus, and the subscapularis. Their primary role is to load the body and get set. The next category are a part of the forward swing. These include pectoralis major, latimus dorsi, subscapularis, scapula, and the serratus. Their primary role is to activate the stick and body. The final category of muscles are a part of the follow-through. This includes the pectoralis major, latimus dorsi, subscapularis, infraspinatus, scapula, and the deltoid. Their primary role is used for weight transfer and energy transfer after striking the ball. Some other muscles that are also involved include biceps brachii, triceps brachii, anterior deltoid, posterior deltoid, upper trapezius, latimus dorsi, clavicular pectoralis major, sternal pectoralis major, and the quadriceps. The bones, a part of the skeletal system that are involved in the field hockey hit, include the scapula, the clavicle, the humerus, and the femur. These are all connected to the muscle groups. And finally, the joints that are involved in the field hockey hit include the acromioclavicular joint, the gliohumeral joint, and the sternoclavicular joint.